I don't think I heard it that time. There we go.
Past this light, then at the next one. Slight right turn.
Hey, all I'm saying is I haven't heard the exhaust.
so cool in that drop top Mustang.
That's what I'm saying.
You got the 335 behind us.
Oh, this feel alright? Oh, the pop. Let's go.
That's crazy.
Alright, here we go. Pulling up. Oh my god. The rest of the Beamers. Oh, this is GT3 RS there. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're at a PML Quickstrike with Brian. We got Wyatt with the E90 M3. I don't think I've shown this on a video before. I took one, but I never uploaded that video. Oh, really? Because the footage didn't come out good, but we're starting off on Sunset Blvd at Platinum Motor, that's 7-Eleven, Platinum Motorsports, and then we're heading all the way to an Inozetek Liberty Walk event. That's technically, yeah. I've seen one at a dealer, but not in like at an actual meet. Can't get over this SVJ. This purple is so nice. I want to hear it start up though.
Oh, it's a Lamborghini.
Oh, my bad. I thought it was SVJ.
Yeah, where'd you get that from?
Oh, bro, I miss it. There's this 812 that just flew by. Let's get it.
I got you.
Let me hear it.
Hey, he wants to hear it.
You guys suck. Come on. How are you feeling, Wyatt?
Hell yeah, bro. This is great.
How are we feeling, Yuwan?
I gotta pee.
All right, that's what I'm talking about. Woo!
Alright, we just got inside and check this out. All these Liberty Walk cars. This place is so sick. This Pink F40. I remember seeing this, all the pictures from this. It's so hard to record in here because of copyright and it's so loud, but all these cars look so sick. You know, at this meet I'm seeing like a lot of cars that I would normally not see at any other meet. Because usually most of the events end up having like the same types of cars, but never seen that before. Those three haven't seen. It's pretty cool. Damn, never seen an S4 like this before. This is the first. Yeah, it's like a grayish purple color. Oh wait, you know what? No, it's just gray. I'm stupid. That's reflecting off of that. Alright guys, never mind. The spot got shut down. We got food and we're heading to another spot, I think.
Man, what kind of food we got?
Hey, we got some burritos. Short rib burrito. What you get?
Man, short rib burrito.
Bro, what you get?
Oh, you already know. We got that burrito. We got that short rib burrito from Talk something like that.
Oh, there we go. This thing's actually hot. It's burning my hand. Alright guys, we made it to the second spot. We actually been here for a while now. We were the first car. Then everyone else showed up. But look at this right here. This side's all gray. This side's all blue. What?
Oh wait, I didn't even so bad.
Damn. Last time we came here, it was exactly like this as well.
Was it?
Yeah, it was so hot. It was for the BH2 breast cancer event. Alright guys, honestly, it is way too hot. We did get a shirt though, but it is super hot. So we're gonna head back home. Thank you guys for watching another video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and there's even more cars still showing up somehow. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll catch you guys next time.